Now, before we work on receiving incoming connections, there is something that I would like to add here, and that is a 1 to our loopback address, which I had forgotten in the previous video. That done, let us now work on receiving connections from our malware. For that, we are simply going to use the accept method of function of our socket, and so that is s.accept. And as you can see, it returns a tuple which contains the connection object that we shall be using to interact with our malware and the address of the machine that has connected to our server. So I'm going to store these two values in two variables. One I'm going to call con, short for connection, and the other addr, which is short for address. Once we have that, we can print out a notification to the terminal that we received a connection from, and we can even print out the IP address and the port from which we have received this connection. So for that, we are going to use a format string, so f right here, and inside curly braces, we shall have our values. So this address in itself is a list which contains the IP address and the port, and so I'm going to have the first index, which will contain the IP address, and the next one is the port, which is the second index. That out of the way, in the next video, we shall enter the loop in which we shall continually take input from the user, send that to the malware, and receive back our results. I'll see you there.